Haba pun paik tien ya ka jingkam jong uhe ka AICC ubadikmi ya ka jilla Dr. A. Chela Kumar, Rakkam is sangma ula ong baka jingjab ka Congress, hakisnam ki baladap ka long ka history, kat ba ka National People's Party NPP, kadai ka jingkarman jong ka jilla. Haba kren bat kinong thok khubor ha ka shipho tarik kalaling kan, ula kam ba usngos kam ba ka NPP ru kan job natura bat Shillong parliamentary seat. Ula ong ba umyo I kinu kidaw ba ka NPP kanam job ha kane ka election MP Lok Sabha ka banwan na baro arteli ki seat. Urakam ulapan ksan ba ka party NPP kala jit ya kilong kami ba kansai tam ya kinong tap vote ka Shillong parliamentary constituency bat manta ka shong ha unong tap vote yano unjit bat banpha sa Delhi. Kakong Ampareen lingdo kadai ka babyang tam ban mi khmat ya ka Shillong bat kadon ka jingshampang bat banyang ya side ha parliament. Ula ong ba uyo I bagi pat ba nong tap vote kin kemen ban jit ya ka ban shong hador bar parliament da ka bariam ya ki jan Khasi bat kan long ka burom ka bakra ba ka kong Ampareen kan kren ha ki riam Khasi.
Look, now nobody should blame NPP. We have given you the best candidate, the best woman, the best person in the state. Now it is the voters of Shillong parliamentary seats to decide whom you want to send to Delhi. You want to send the mother for your pride, the mother of Meghalaya to represent in Delhi. I think it is very, very appropriate time because what you call the 33% reservation bill passed in the parliament. Maybe it may implement in next like MP election. But NPP has went at giving 100% seat for both Tura and the Shillong parliamentary seat. But having said so, I don't see any reason of NPP not winning this MP election from Shillong parliamentary seat as well as in Tura. So therefore, I think Madam Ampareen is among the best fitted individual to represent Shillong, which suit the Shillong standard in parliament. I think Shillong people will be happy to see Madam Ampareen sitting in the parliament wearing the Khasi attire, Khasi customary, beautiful Khasi dress in parliament. I think Shillong people will be happy, will be glorious to see that Madam Ampareen speaks in parliament wearing a Khasi dress. Sometimes documents does not prove your efficiency, but your talents prevail. In my constituency in last 5 years, I don't want to name the village. To a village, I constructed a very, very good road in the last 5 years. But in the election, this village, the people of that village did not vote for me. So I think in politics, people don't discuss about all this, what he did, where he did. But now the voters of today is decide with the needs of the hour what is happening today. Yeah, so look, during Congress time, during 75 years back, right? 70 years back, during Congress time, the country get independent country, right? Where is Congress now? Meghalaya got statehood during AP SLCC time. Where is AP SLCC now today? So this is I mean, like, it is not about the party, it's not about organization, it is about the individual today. Whom to represent. It's a question about individual, what not in history or in the books. Right? So maybe all this what has been spoken of the one of the leader today, that is history. That is history. So history is to read, not to implement. So that is on the book. What I have done. So I'm the grand nephew of Black Captains. If I can bet today, I'm the grand nephew of Black Captains. Will you please vote me? Will they vote for me? They don't remember. They don't see. Right? So what the Congress has done in the past, there is in the history. Let's keep in the books. Let's read in the books, and people don't vote in this. They want the future. They want the present. So now the people of Shillong should and of the entire country decide who going to what, who can deliver the best for the state. That is the that's the what you call topics being discussed by the youth of the state. Because look, young, about every year about 20,000, 20 to 25,000 graduate, but for the private university, state university, they graduate, right? So we are just generate only 2,000, maximum 2,000 government sector. 70,000 always become unemployed graduate. Where do we go? These graduate unemployed students, the educated unemployed students, should understand which party, which individual can create jobs. They need hope. They need the future, not the history. Congress was in the history, and NPP will be in the future for the young people of our state. I think people of the state are well enough to think which party, who will give them the future secure.